Hazrat Bakr bin Abdullah narrates that he mentioned to Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu that Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said to the people, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam donned the garb for Hajj and we put on it as well along with him. When we reached Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever has not brought the sacrificial animal along with him should convert his garb into the garb of Umrah, whereas the Prophet ﷺ had a sacrificial animal along with him. So Hazrat Ali bin Abu Talib radiyallahu anhu also came from Yemen intending Hajj and joined us. The Prophet ﷺ asked, for what did you put on the ihram as your family is with us? He replied, I have put on this special garb for the same purpose for which the Prophet ﷺ had worn it. He ﷺ said, you must keep this state intact, for we have an sacrificial animal. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4353 and 4354.